This is Klaudia, welcome back to my channel. So just an FYI, I am using a new camera today, so if something's not looking quite right, I do apologize in advance. But apart from that, I do have something quite exciting. I have got the new S23 Ultra, and more specifically this is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra with the S Pen. So the S Pen has decided to stick with us. I've also picked mine out in the color Lavender, as you can see from the front of the packaging. I also got a Smart View wallet case to go with it. There are also other amazing colors that I've seen. They are very natural looking. So we do have green, phantom black, cream, and of course lavender. So quite subtle colors. In terms of storage, there's a big storage option with this phone because it does start at 256 gigabytes, then it goes to 512 and 1 terabyte, and with 8 to 12 RAM. And also there is a offer on Samsung right now, so if you purchase right now, they give you the same price for the 512 gigabytes instead of the 256. So I think that's quite an amazing offer. And yeah, let's find out what this year's S23 has to offer. Let's go. Let's go. You can't see the phone yet. I like how they did this sort of cover up so you can't really see it yet. So we will start with what's on the top and ooh. So we do have the SIM slot opener and the USB-C cable, the information pack. Let's open the wallet case quickly, just before the phone. Okay. Ooh, wow. Cute color. It's giving me more of a, yeah, a bit more like my nails. I also had like a different outfit, but somehow my house number didn't get put on the delivery package and it got sent back. But this is a really nice phone case because the inside is like meshy, soft, so you know that there will be no scratches once you put it on. You can put like, I'm guessing like a card here or something. There's like a little slot here. Yeah, really cool. And of course you can like see the time on this corner. Now, time for the phone. I don't know. Ooh, ooh. You guys ready to see the color? Right, let's see this. Pow! It doesn't really look like lavender. It almost looks like light pink, but this is like my favorite color so far. I did unbox the S22 Ultra in burgundy last year. It is more natural looking compared to the other colors from the previous year because the burgundy was like really dark tone. Back of the phone feels really smooth. I like this sort of matte effect. As you can see, because of the light colors, it doesn't leave any fingerprints. Maybe a little smudge, but there isn't a lot. Let's look at the front screen. This is the 6.8 inches, so there wasn't a difference with the screen size compared to the last year's. At the top we also get the front camera. It's in the middle. We don't get any bezels. So It looks like a really clean front screen. I do like the aluminium frame. The same sort of color as the frame around the lenses. You can see it like glistens, which is quite nice. I do like that effect. And of course, pop. We pop this bit, and at the bottom we do get the S Pen. It looks similar to me, so it does have the clicker at the top, and yeah, pretty much looks the same. We still get a SIM card slot. With the SIM options, we do get a nano SIM, eSIM, and dual SIM card. A dual SIM card. So when I put the phone down, you can still see like there's a slight bend on this side. The screen does seem to look more flatter and does have little curved edges, so it's not totally like a notepad. The back of the phone is stronger because both the front and the back are made with the Gorilla Glass Victus 2. And let's try out this phone. There's different ways to unlock your phone. The camera lens looks incredible. There's been a major upgrade to the ultra wide lens, and I can't wait to try it out because I've seen videos of the zoom on this camera and it just looks amazing, especially when you're zooming in to see the moon and things like that. So I'm just super excited about that. We also have better nightography. Also shoot at 8K videos. That's why I mentioned the storage options, because if you have a bigger storage, you can record more high quality videos and also with the Snapdragon Gen 2. There is a bit of a difference with help in gaming, and it's gonna give us that more silky smooth usage. And of course it is 120 Hz, so nothing's changed there. The battery also remained the same, 5000 milliamps. I don't know what it is, but I seem to like this S23 Ultra way more than I did with the S22. It could just be because I was really getting to know the phone last time, so it was kind of harder for me to get used to all the settings and such. But with this one I feel like I'm a lot more confident, so I am more comfortable with this phone. And of course I think the color beats it as well, because this color just speaks out to me. It's very natural, pinkish sort of look, purple. So as you know from like my other videos, my other unboxings, I tend to go for those colors as well, so it's a bit of me. So far I'm really enjoying just using the screen. It's really soft and smooth and responsive, so I do like that from my first impressions. And of course the camera, the back camera, but I'm certainly doing more videos because last time with the S22 I didn't have time to do any videos. I just ran out of time and I was just getting to know the phone. So now that it's a lot easier for me to use the Samsung Ultra, the flagship phone, I am more confident to do other videos. And I like the way it's just in my hand. It's not uncomfortable, it's not too heavy. The design is very similar to the last year's model, and yeah, I think I'm going to really enjoy it this time with the camera, to test out the camera. The front camera I wasn't really quite impressed with my selfies, but I might just have to tweak the settings a little bit. But yeah, I think so far so good. And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.